Why you always think that compressor actually makes everything louder is because the makeup gain is on. So we need to take that off, and we will actually do the makeup gain manually. So now if I put the threshold down and put more ratio, can you see what's happened? So the input is louder than the output. Because it reduces gain, even has a measurement on the middle, says GR, gain reduction. It reduces gain. Now we can use this output gain to match it up. And now we have a very compressed signal.